Hello, I'm Alex Tarrant for interest.co.nz and welcome to a special housing report brought to you in association with ASB. Now today we're going to look at issues surrounding housing supply. There's an article in the Dominion Post citing Bob Hargraves, a Massey University professor, saying that limited supply of housing, or what he perceives as what's going to be a limited supply of housing, may stop house prices falling as fast as initially thought, and that the window for first home buyers may be smaller than many first thought. Now, Hargraves pointed to building activity, and that's been at record lows at the end of 2008, and he also pointed to improved migration figures, which would drive up demand for housing and then therefore stopping the house prices falling as fast. Now at interest.co.nz we think that there's another good indicator of housing supply, and that's rents, rental prices, rental supply and rental demand. Now we think it's a good indicator, and we looked at the New Zealand median rent over 2008, and that's stayed flat. Now, that stayed flat as supply has gone up. On TradeMe, listings over the year rose from 7,000 to about 12,000 now, whilst the median rent remained the same nationally. And that seems to show that demand rose at the same level as supply. Now, there's no evidence, therefore, that there's been a lack of supply. If there was limited supply, rents would have risen if demand stayed the same. But as we see, the rent stayed the same. Now, Hargraves may be right. There may be limited supply in the future, but as of yet, if we're looking at the rental indicator, it seems to show that supply is still fine for now. I'm Alex Tarrant. That was a special housing report brought to you in association with ASB.